I've got the Mustang ready to bring a trailer, so I figured I'd do one more video of it. .64.5, 289 4-speed 4-barrel D code. So that means it's a real early 64.5 or 65. Boy, I did that with one hand. I didn't think about that. It has a rack and pinion steering conversion on it, but other than that, it's original, right down to the generator, the correct 289. The horns are mounted down low on the frame. It has the master cylinder with the brake light switch on it. Sorry about that. And what else am I supposed to show you under the hood to show that it's 64.5? But it's early production. I think it was May of 64 is the date. Very, very solid underneath. And a lot of pictures that I'm trying to post with the listing. One repaint, but everything else is original. But this is original Rangoon red paint code with the black interior. And I don't have the key with me, or I'd open the trunk. There's a couple little scratches and nicks here and there, but overall it's really a nice car. Been in the owner's garage since 2010. He last registered it and put it in non-op. So you can see the fit and finish is really very good. Jambs, trunk fit, hood fit, all very nice. And of course, with the rack and pinion steering that he put in the aftermarket tilt column. Mileage 57,664. Let's see if I start it up. I'm not going to road test it with the camera in hand. Now the other thing is it has the generator light, not an alternator. Oil pressure light, of course, is working. And it has the 64.5 3-speed or center is off switch on the fan for the heater. Like I say, a D code in the VIN and the early door plate on the driver's door matches the VIN code. There it is. Hope you like it.